Imagine traveling back to the first tiny fraction of a second after the Big Bang. The universe was unimaginably hot, incredibly dense, and astonishingly simple. There were no atoms, no stars, no galaxies, and no planets. Only an immense sea of energy governed by perfectly symmetric physical laws. At these extreme temperatures, the Higgs field had not yet settled into its lowest energy state, so elementary particles behaved as though they were massless. The electromagnetic and weak nuclear forces were still united as a single electroweak interaction, and every direction in space was physically equivalent. Nothing distinguished one direction from another, and the universe possessed no preferred state. This remarkable balance is known as perfect symmetry. Yet this elegant simplicity could not last forever. As the universe expanded and cooled, one extraordinary event changed everything, giving rise to mass, structure, and ultimately the rich cosmic landscape we observe today. Symmetry is one of the most profound ideas in all of science. In everyday life, we recognize it in the balanced wings of a butterfly, the intricate patterns of a snowflake, or the repeating cells of a honeycomb. In physics, however, symmetry has a far deeper meaning. It tells us that the fundamental laws of nature remain unchanged when we perform certain transformations, such as rotating a system, shifting it through space, or changing the orientation of our viewpoint. If every experiment produces exactly the same result after such a transformation, the system possesses symmetry. This remarkable principle governs everything from the conservation of energy to the behavior of elementary particles. The early universe obeyed these perfect symmetries, creating an elegant but featureless cosmos. To understand how our rich and diverse universe emerged, we must first understand why nature values symmetry so deeply. If the laws of physics are perfectly symmetric, how did our asymmetric universe emerge? The answer lies in one of the most beautiful concepts in modern physics, spontaneous symmetry breaking. Imagine a perfectly balanced pencil standing upright on its tip. Every direction it could fall is equally possible, and the laws governing its motion are completely symmetric. Yet the moment it becomes unstable, the pencil inevitably falls in one specific direction. The laws never changed, only the final state did. The early universe behaved in a remarkably similar way. As it expanded and cooled, the perfectly symmetric state became unstable. The Higgs field did not violate the laws of physics. Instead, it naturally settled into one of many equally valid lowest energy states. That single spontaneous choice forever changed the universe, opening the door to particle masses, atoms, stars, galaxies, and eventually life itself. Why couldn't the universe remain perfectly symmetric forever? The answer lies in the energy landscape of the Higgs field, described by one of the most elegant equations in particle physics, the Mexican hat potential. At extremely high temperatures, the Higgs field sat precariously at the peak of this potential, a point of perfect symmetry but unstable equilibrium. As the universe expanded and cooled, remaining at the top became energetically unfavorable. Instead, the Higgs field naturally rolled down into the circular valley surrounding the peak. Every point along this valley represented an equally stable lowest energy state, so no particular direction was preferred. Yet the field had to settle somewhere. That spontaneous choice broke the symmetry of the vacuum while leaving the underlying physical laws completely unchanged. This subtle transition transformed the universe forever, preparing the stage for particles to acquire mass through their interaction with the Higgs field. As the Higgs field rolled into the lowest energy valley of the Mexican hat potential, it finally settled at one specific point. Although every point around the valley was equally stable, the field could occupy only one of them. This spontaneous choice created a new vacuum state that filled every corner of the universe. Physicists call this constant background value the vacuum expectation value, or VEV. Rather than disappearing after the Big Bang, the Higgs field remained present everywhere in space, even today. Every elementary particle now travels through this invisible field. Particles that interact strongly with it become heavy, while those with weaker interactions remain light. The photon, however, does not interact with the Higgs field at all and therefore remains massless. This invisible cosmic field became the foundation upon which matter, atoms, stars, galaxies, and ultimately life itself could exist. With the Higgs field now filling every corner of space, elementary particles began interacting with this invisible quantum field. The strength of that interaction determined how much intrinsic mass each particle acquired. Particles that couple strongly to the Higgs field become heavy, while those with weaker couplings remain much lighter. The top quark, for example, interacts more strongly than any other known elementary particle and is therefore the heaviest. The electron interacts only weakly, giving it a much smaller mass. Remarkably, the photon does not interact with the Higgs field at all, allowing light to travel through the universe without possessing intrinsic mass. Mass, therefore, is not an inherent property that particles simply carry from birth. Instead, it emerges through their continuous interaction with the ever-present Higgs field, an invisible quantum background that makes atoms, chemistry, stars, galaxies, and life itself possible. The Higgs field gives mass to many elementary particles, yet one important question remains. Why do the W and Z bosons become massive while the photon remains completely massless? The answer lies in electroweak symmetry breaking. Before the Higgs field settled into its stable vacuum state, electromagnetism and the weak nuclear force were united as a single electroweak interaction. When the Higgs field acquired its vacuum expectation value, this symmetry was broken, separating the unified interaction into two distinct forces. The W and Z bosons interacted directly with the Higgs field and acquired large masses, making the weak force extremely short-ranged. The photon, however, emerged from a different combination of the original gauge fields that is not coupled to the Higgs field. As a result, it remained massless, allowing electromagnetic waves to travel across the entire universe. For nearly half a century, the Higgs mechanism remained one of the most elegant ideas in theoretical physics, yet there was no direct experimental proof that the Higgs field truly existed. Everything changed on July 4, 2012, when scientists at CERN announced the discovery of a new particle with a mass of about 125 gigaelectron-volts. This particle matched the long-predicted Higgs boson, the quantum excitation of the Higgs field. Using the Large Hadron Collider, the world's most powerful particle accelerator, researchers smashed protons together at nearly the speed of light, recreating conditions similar to those just after the Big Bang. Independent observations by the ATLAS and CMS experiments confirmed the discovery with extraordinary statistical confidence. The Higgs boson completed the Standard Model, providing compelling evidence that the Higgs field truly permeates the universe and gives elementary particles their intrinsic mass. Our journey began with a universe that was perfectly symmetric, where all particles behaved as though they were massless, and the electromagnetic and weak forces existed as one unified interaction. As the cosmos expanded and cooled, the Higgs field settled into a stable vacuum state, breaking that perfect symmetry without changing the underlying laws of physics. This single quantum event allowed elementary particles to acquire intrinsic mass, separated the electroweak force into the electromagnetic and weak interactions, and made stable atoms, chemistry, stars, galaxies, planets, and life possible. Nearly 50 years later, the discovery of the Higgs boson confirmed this extraordinary theory, transforming elegant mathematics into experimental reality. Every mountain, every ocean, every living cell, and every person exists because the Higgs field chose one stable state in the earliest moments of cosmic history. One tiny quantum choice shaped the entire universe.